Hi! Would you like your clients to be able to reschedule their own bookings to a different available time and date? In this tutorial, we will look into how you can use our dedicated feature to achieve this. In your SimplyBook.me account, please navigate to the Custom Features page in order to enable Client Rescheduling. Once enabled, you will be able to set the time frame within which your clients will be allowed to reschedule. A Reschedule button has been added to the My Bookings section of your booking website. If you would also like to add a rescheduling link to client booking notifications, you can achieve this by adding the respective variable in Settings, Email and SMS settings, and/or in Flexible Notifications if you're using this feature. Kindly refer to our custom booking related notifications video for detailed instructions on adjusting notifications. We hope you found this video helpful. You can find more tutorials like this on our YouTube channel. Please do not hesitate to like and subscribe, as well as check the links in the description to follow our social media pages. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.